Yes, we're back on the roof. You now have a challenge to make helicopters. This is from Leonardo da Vinci himself. Yeah, the great inventor, engineer, artist. He designed some helicopters. And now I want you to. Don't go searching for designs. You think about it. I want you to think about how those rotors are going to turn and drop down. I've made a simple one here. This is what you're going to start with. Simple paper helicopter. I got it from the Summer Skills for Scouts. This is Tim Peake's British astronaut. You know, he launched this project to make paper helicopters, and I love it. But I want to take it one step further. I want to drop Biggles. Check him out. Geronimo's gone. He did not make the parachute drop. I miss that little guy. But now Biggles, World War I Uber pilot, is here. He is an expert at flying. So what better person to fly our helicopters? Now, first of all, me and Natty are going to drop our paper ones and see how they get on. And then we're going to go for it bigger and try and save Biggles. I'm going to try and make one that will fit him in, no protection, and it will slowly glide to the ground. Of course, this is a challenge, so it's up to you. What material, what design, what shape. There's so many ways to secure this challenge. Think of nature, think of seeds. You know, I've seen the seed pods that fly off the different trees that have that shape that just slowly glide it to the ground. That's what we're looking for. Now, okay, some of you are thinking, well, a helicopter, that would fly around everywhere. I'm not looking at that. I'm looking to save Biggles. I'm looking to just make enough air resistance that this guy makes it to the ground. Now, watch us drop ours, and then we're going to go bigger and better with bigger tools and harder materials. Yes, this is your challenge. Go do it, guys. Okay, Atty, lean over. Let's drop this thing. Woo, there it goes. Oh, I love that. Ah, so poetic motion. Okay, number 2, set it up. Yeah. Oh, you got to bend that one a little bit. This way. Okay, go. Oh, here it goes. Hey, Atty, well done. That's fab. Hey, what did you make?
Paper helicopter.
Boom, shakalaka. You ready?
Set. Go. Not so good.
Straight down. Terrible.
I think we need to chuck it down. Like, chuck it fast.
It needs to have bigger wings, doesn't it?
Yeah, we need bigger wings to make it.
Atty, got your armour on?
Let's go bigger so we can get that flying.
Okay, so Leonardo da Vinci, he made a kind of helicopter, and it was made out of a screw or a spiral, so as it spun down, catch the air. Now, honestly, I just went downstairs, I found something light with structure, a Coke bottle, some tin foil, because I want it to be really light, put a tiny weight on the bottom, because I do want it to go down, because that will force it to spin. But here's my first attempt, well, third attempt now. Okay, let's see how this guy flies. Okay, this is Leonardo's design. Mark 1, let's go. Oh! Tell you what, I'm happy with that. It span, it caught the wind. I think a bit bigger wings. And I heard the tinfoil go like, so that's going to be a problem. But that's lucky, that was light. I used very little tape. But I think we've got something here. It was spinning really nicely. Okay, I'll show you. Mark 2. Okay, here's Biggles. He's ready to fly. I made my Leonardo da Vinci inspired helicopter. I used my own thought of what I was going to use. I used aluminium, I used a glue gun and some sticks, you'll see it. Okay, let's have a little look how this goes. Bobo's down there. Ready. Okay, your marks, get set. Oh, poor biggles. I don't want to do it.
He's never going to
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that actually works quite well.
Oh, bummer. Check it, Bo. Yes.
Biggles survived.
Biggles survived. There you go. Helicopter made. Go make it. It's fun. Wow, that was a challenge all day long. Okay, it's your turn. Go. Do the challenge. Okay, wait a sec. Wait. Okay, you ready? Here it goes. Go, Geronimo. No, Biggles.
Oh no.
Oh, it's a bit more hard.
Biggles did survive. He survived.
I know you survived.
But he hit the wall. Yeah. We're in the. We think he's going to come. Okay, let's do 2 more rounds.
Okay, go get him.
He's dead.
He's totally dead.
Big time. This rock.
Oh, you fell on a rock. That was a bad choice of landing spot. Oh well. Alright.
It's got slime all over it and it's got a huge pool. Yeah, he didn't survive. He cracked. Sorry, Biggles. Where's Biggles? You're dead.
Do you want to throw it one more time for fun or not?
Yeah, just one more time. I want to see him smash more.
Okay, come on then.
And
Biggles.
never
Oh.
survived.
Oh no, he's dead.
He's throbbing. Let's go one more time. I'm pulling it. No,
No. This side, Atty.
quick. He's throbbing. Atty.
Okay, go. Dripping Biggles, go.
Dripping Biggles.
It's amazing how that works. Oh, bush. Oh wait.
He didn't work.
That worked great. So happy with that. Right, come on then, down we go.
Biggle wingspan. I'm not carrying. He is killed.
Okay.
He's killed.